guys, I know this is where the end of the video obviously ends, and I'm kind of starting it here. It's because I never actually got a chance to actually record an intro. I was in a rush to get out of the house. But basically today's vlog is just basically me going out. I'm heading out to Micro Center and also Best Buy to get some stuff for the room, and also a little bit of an upgrade for the PC, for my current PC. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump you forward straight to when I'm at Micro Center, getting all the things I need, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for clicking on another one. Okay, so now we're at Micro Center, and I already got both of the network cards. One is for the actual PC, and then the other one is going to go into the server. So now I need the TV mount, and then I also need the... I forgot. Alright, when I find it, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I got the heatsink. I remember what I needed. This is going to be for the streaming PC as well, where I don't think I need an AIO. I'm just gonna get it for it's a 3900X. It's not gonna need that much cooling, I'm thinking. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. This is for the server, not the actual streaming PC. I forgot. I mixed that up. My bad. But now I'm kind of just looking for mounts for the TV to go on, and I need to find the actual one that I wanted. But yeah, as soon as I find it, I'll let you guys know. And we have one more stop after this, which is gonna be Best Buy, just to get a tripod. Then after that, I'm done, and we're gonna go and set all this up. Okay, so I found it. Whoops, I am super zoomed in. I found it. This isn't the exact one I was going to get, but it's close enough. I have a 32-inch TV, so this is a 26 to 50. So yeah, I'm gonna go purchase all of this, and then we're gonna go to Best Buy, and after that I'm gonna start doing everything else. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, so we got everything we needed. We're good. So we're gonna go pick up one more thing, and then we're gonna go home and do a little PC maintenance, and then organize all the parts, so that way I know what part goes to what computer. So right now we're just gonna go to Best Buy. After that, we're gonna go set all this up. I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, so I didn't exactly film me going to Best Buy, just because it was just one simple thing I had to get, and it wasn't really related to the room progress or anything like that, but I will show you more in depth what I did get. So first off, I got just a simple heatsink. This is, so I know I said earlier that this was going to be for the streaming PC. It is not going to be. It is strictly going to be for the server. I will be doing a test fit later, kind of not on with the motherboard, but just with the heatsink itself, to see if it's too tall to fit in the case, and if it is, I either have to go with an AIO as well, or I have to get a more lower profile heatsink. Now what I also did get was two of these. This is a network card. It's from TP-Link, and it is going to be only, it's only going to be for the streaming PC and the server, just to connect the two with gigabit networking. There's not much speed that I need to really do with it. If anything, I'll probably just be importing like one or two videos for the streams and stuff for it to go through, but yeah, otherwise that's kind of it. And then kind of like the final big thing is I got a little TV mount. This is for, because as you can see right there, the TV is right there, and so I'm going to be mounting that right above where all my displays are and such. So I think I'm gonna set up for sort of like a time lapse and whatnot. And oh, I'm also gonna be doing some stuff to my own PC. I'm going to be installing a 2 terabyte hard drive, and I'm also going to be pulling the SSD from my PC just to keep it so I can use it for the streaming PC. It's a 500 gig, 2.5 inch SATA SSD. It's nothing special. I don't need anything super crazy fast for it. So I'm just going to be doing some pretty minor PC maintenance today. And the big thing will pretty much just be the TV being on the wall and pretty much just buying those two. So I'm going to set up for the time lapse right now, and I will see you guys, I don't know, but whatever I do next, I'll do next. I'll see you then. Okay, so, I got this done, finally. I don't know how long it took me, but I had an issue where the screws that came, I don't know if you guys can see, that came with the kit did not fit into the holes here, so I kind of had to, like, not makeshift, but like kind of find screws that I had, and I found a few, and now they're tight, they're solid, it ain't going to go anywhere. But yeah, so now I think I'm just gonna mount it up onto the wall and hope everything is okay. I'm pretty sure I mounted it correctly. That tilts down, and yeah, I think first I'm just gonna take off the stand first, and after that we'll get right to putting it up on the wall. So back to the time lapse. Alright, well, after I don't know how many hours, but after the pain of dealing with this, it is finally up. And we're going to turn it on, and we're going to make sure it works. Oh, there goes my screen flashing. Cable box. It works, guys. It fucking works. I am so freaking sweaty, yo. Oh, shit. Oh, me. Oh, fuck. Yes, sir. Man, it's almost enough to make a grown man freaking happy. Well, that is finally over. Finally done. I have so many screws everywhere. It's freaking done. Now you're probably like wondering, like, why the fuck is it off center with everything? That is because I do not want to deal with it later and not have it centered. The reason is because this TV is centered with the wall. It is perfectly in the middle. Now, these monitors here are not centered. These are all kind of scattered. But once I get the new stand plus the 3 new monitors, it will all be centered. There will be no PC over here. It is going to be on the rack and everything. So that is the TV. It is now mounted. It is working. It is all set. It is connected with Ethernet. I'm going to have to figure out what to do with those cables. But for now, it's not going to bother me that they're hanging there. But yeah, I'm going to clean up everything here, and I'm going to get ready to do a little bit of touch-ups with the PC. So I will see you once again when I am ready to start doing stuff with the PC. Alright guys, so this is filmed a couple days later after I finished everything. This is the final result. The TV is up there, nice and perfect. Nothing has happened, knock on wood. But yeah, the TV is up. It is looking very nice. And then I just did some decorations around the TV to make the wall feel a little bit more full. And here's the current 3 monitors, and these will be changed out for a later time for some better monitors. You can go ahead and reference the talking video about what I'm doing exactly to my room. A lot of things are changing, but for now, the TV is done, the TV is up, and this part of the setup is done. Next will be the monitors as well as furniture, and yeah, so that's the little update. Alright, now we're on to the final part of the video. I kind of just want to do a little bit of it's not a sort of PC upgrade, but sort of not, I guess. I took out this 500 gig SSD out of the PC. One, because it's not enough storage for me and for all my games. And 2, this will also go to the streaming PC. So rather buying an NVMe, which, you know, it's nice to have an NVMe and it's nice to have the speed, but I think a 500 gig, just 2.5 inch drive is enough just for a streaming PC for it to hold OBS and Chrome and basically it. So, that's pretty much it, but I'm going to be installing a 2 terabyte hard drive into my system. It's a 7200 RPM drive. It's from Seagate. It's a Seagate Barracuda drive. But yeah, it's pretty basic. It's 2 terabytes, and you know, it's gonna be plenty for all my games, and it's gonna have enough speed. I won't really need anything faster than 7200 RPM. So, this is actually the first time I'm opening this drive. I've obviously clearly never opened this before. So, yeah. It's a pretty nice drive. Honestly, I got it for like $45. And it's 2 terabyte, which is pretty nice. So just a quick little thing, for some of you people who may get confused by this. A hard drive usually has 2 ports in the front of it. You're going to have your SATA power and also your SATA data. The SATA power is going to be a lot bigger than the SATA data, and then obviously, you know, I'm pretty sure you can figure it out, but power is for power. Data is what the computer actually talks to the drive with. So I'm just gonna simply just easily mount this to, this is the left side, to the drive, um, and install it. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and show you how to essentially like format the drive, and as well as um, kind of like set it up, because when it comes to PCs, most of the time they aren't going to naturally show up as if you were doing a for say like a USB drive or an external hard drive. It's not going to show up naturally like that most of the time, so you're going to have to go into the actual system itself and locate the drive. Like, it'll be detected, but it won't be like, it won't be a usable drive, if that makes any sense to any of you. Okay guys, so now that we have the drive installed, as you can see, we do not have the drive available. It's not here. So we only have the boot drive, and we also have the external drive. Now when you go into your search bar, you're going to type in partitions. It's going to say create and format hard disk partitions. Once you go to it, it should automatically pop up your new drive. You're going to go ahead and just select MBR for the drive, and it'll do its thing. Now you're going to see that disk 1 is unallocated. What you're going to go here and do is click on new simple volume. Now go ahead and follow the steps. It's going to ask you how you want the drive and how you want it to be lettered and whatnot. So you're going to go ahead and set all that up, and then when you come to this page here, you're going to want your file system to be NTFS, and leave everything else by default. You can also name your drive, so you can just name it game drive, and you can allow it to perform a quick format, and once it's done, it'll show you everything that it is going to be done to the drive, and you're going to go ahead and click finish. It's going to format, and once it's done formatting, it is done, and it can see your drive. And as you can see right here, here is your new drive. It is that simple, that easy. It is very simple to do, and once you're done, you can pretty much go ahead and do anything, download your games, put footage, pictures, whatnot on here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on another one. I will be sure to do more of these if you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.